Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or stuck on black screen or black screen issue on PC. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, then right click on INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then select properties. Now in the launch options, type -dx12, then close the tab and then launch the INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the properties and this time type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties. Now remove the launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Next fix is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game, select properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to skip the cutscene. Just skip the cutscene. If your game is crashing and not launching, then launch the game again and try to skip the cutscene. It should be your triangle button. It works for many players, so I hope it will work for you as well. Fix 4 is to disable NVIDIA graphic card and only use Intel graphic card. To do so, in Windows search type Device Manager and open it. Then expand your display adapters and then right click on your NVIDIA graphic card driver and then click disable device and then click yes to allow. And then you can go ahead and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to disable overlays. So open Steam, go to library, right click on INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game and then select properties and then turn off the enable the Steam overlay while in game. Turn it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again enable the Steam overlay and then launch the game and check. Similarly, disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay and then check. Also disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay and then launch the game and check. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game crashes as a startup error, not launching or won't launch problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.